Hey guys, yeah, about the movie, yeah, we screwed up. There's no doubt about it. We have underestimated the event thingy, and yeah. But I've come up with some good news. Now, who's ready for the new release date? This movie's never coming out. Okay, who let him in the studio, and what? Have you seen the lack of teasers? This dude never gets any work done. This movie's never coming out. First off, why are you here? And second of all, how do you know? But where is it? They've been rehearsing and replacing scenes for several months now. These people are never getting any work done. Almost a 3-year delay, for goodness sakes. Have you been looking on Twitter again? You mean X? You do realize Twitter is nothing but full of kids and toxic people. Besides, they are doing this for fun, but there are people with schedule, school, and not making everyday go animate videos. Those people on Twitter don't care about the movie. You have a long way to go, little man, don't you? Besides, you know how hard it is to make the best darn movie in all go animate history? But the trailer says 2022. I had it with you. Get over here. I'm gonna get you. No, take this. Take that. Come on. Get over here, you little smoke. All right. That's it. Enough. Oh, come on. Take this. Take that. Diablo. Break it up. Break it up. Okay? No, I'm not okay. Oh. Alright, in order to bring peace to the both of you, I'm taking care of this myself. To show them the new trailer. Alright, fine. Enjoy it. Halloween, you have to be joking right now. No need to worry. You will almost have everything done. Just a little bit. What if you don't? Hold up. Give me a second. There. Better. Much better.